When the sewer backs up, it can be a nightmare. The digging, the damage, and the dollars. Before you're pressured into an overpriced sewer project, call MrRooter, the Twin Cities plumbing, drain, and sewer experts. We provide a complimentary second opinion and camera inspection, plus low-cost options for maintaining and repairing your sewer system. Avoid flooding from heavy rain with a basement-saving sump pump complete with battery backup. Call MrRooter today or visit MrRooter.com, Minneapolis. There's a reason they call us Mr.